Please. One more time. One more time. Do one more time. One more time. Jaga Yoshi. Yeah, sure, it's upon midnight. This half is selling a lot of our fit. The only time me to the sun goes down and the moon comes up. Come and tell it by Nana Spuz Cook Spuz Fans. Bana manga, bana mona. Mbanja. It's a la. Les joints. Havana crash country. Actually set it. Hello, hamba kanjani? Hello, awusiwetsalani. Athi chap. Ay. Lena litsebe batho, lena mna litsebe batho. Eba ntamayang lo visita mo profile mo ke la mbona nkare ke pinne comment. Go visit that profile. Follow them, then learn the jab DC. Follow that account and learn the DC. Yabona ukuthi kusimple kanjani. Uyafollowa uzifundele DC tujayiva nabanye abantwana kuba mnandi siyajeba. Obvious it's festive season soon, uyabona. So wena into kumele uyenze no ukuthi upractice ukuthi mawuqeda ukubhala ama-exam vele ushone phezu kwawo one time. Lezi zokuthi bachuza busala makenziwa izinto obvious mfethu. December yeza uyaqeda ukubhala manje. It's not like uzabe ubhala December kancane. It's not like uzabe ubhala December uzabe uqedile. So uyafunda lapha i-dance challenge. Wangikwangela ufeature ufeature ngwala ubetha dilo tše mfethu. Aba ka ipina gape ka i-commentela ngwanela ba ka ipina gape. You go follow, you learn the DC. Chap uzoyithola lapho. Follow umuntu ubuwa si mfethu uyazi mas. I think khuluma isiZulu sama foreign. Yemina me foreign awungiboni. I'm a foreigner. Ngangizime for Peter. Tango. It's me foreigner. Foreigner. Mangla eMzansi. Originally I'm from the UK, yeah man. So the Zulu that I speak. Mfethu mara wena mona kwena ungaretlisa ngivalo watseba mas. Watseba gore you can bring us to Val. Watseba gore you can press some buttons. Size Val. It's a jwalo mfethu. Re khona tla Val. Feature uyazi in the future my brother. The future can even be tomorrow. The future, brother, you can text me there. Somebody recopanche something. Christmas explosion komhlaki kiko kae mo ba jwetse mo ba ngfake ko line up. I don't even know what Christmas explosion iva batshele lapho basibize lapho. You all check my music out. Abafethu yazi if you as an advertiser sukugaye platform yabona, then abantu bakhona ukuzwa music wakho. Yeah. We are pushing here, we are pushing each other, mas. Dumelang malone. Le guy. Young Todd. Niyenze lapho ncheck music komunye umntwana. Ingabi snacks. Uzabe ufuna ukusenza amazipho. Singezi. Because now support abanye abantwana. Uzabe ufuna ukusibhafa enshayina. Singezi because vele wena usupportani nawe. Not anybody's guy. So yenzani lapho nchecke nabanye abantwana. Uyabala. Nitsheleni ama-promoter wenu lapha sibizeni sikhona ukunivakashela man. Hawu. Niyamlanda niyamtshela ukuthi sizifunela abo midnight thina. Uyangithola. Yabona bafethu ngiyanitshela ukuthi check out i-DC lapho nijoine nijayiveni. Nifollow nomunye umntwana lapho. Ni-check i-DC chap then niya practice. Yeah, we can operate. Joe, if bona bafethu, to operate is simple. You just have to like show ukuthi nawe u consistent. Post your work. Uyangithola, send your work. Angeke ukuthi ufuna sishaye ingoma mangena ku profile yakho. Akunani ingoma ni1. Post ama picture mara post ingoma zakho angeke senze ingoma kanjalo. Bese masiceda ukwenza ingoma la what's gonna happen. Post ingoma zakho nawe. Nami at least mangena ku profile yakho ngibona ukuthi jo yazi intango yaphusha singaphusha ngithola. Cause now emna akemaparesa mina. Obvious mfethu masenza ingoma siyaphusha. Hayi ukuthi yoba hit, kumele ukuthi siphushe nya. Uyangibamba. So angeke ukuthi ufuna sisipane mara ku profile yakho isipane sakho asikho. Yeah, if you have songs then you can check. Yeah, namfethu tshelani woza the Best Palace Caroline Bowman. Chihambo tshela ma-hosta lapho uthi angibisi. Ngibawutshele ngizozwakala la. So shaya zonke mfana. So shaya zonke like zonke. Masifika sishaya zonke. Tshela ama-hosta wenu lapho ukuthi nifuna ukubona bani. Ati chip. Abati chip tomazana chip pa. Sakapunungan it's a tap the yenda ilama. Oya babisa. tap tap, chip chip, most wanted. A tap tap, chip chip, ngeke basibambe. Ntwana bangasirithwari da sokeke babuwa. Bafethu nginicheka kuphela yabona ukuthi ni-grand na. Me I'm out. Ngiyachisa nokuchisa, ifoni ya overheater. It's a lot. So ngizolibana later ne. Ngizolibala later. Share le guy. Abantwana bayifuna le. Aniyazi. Bafethu sharp ne. Ngibona later man. I show it's appointment night at Kava. If you don't time, you need to send goes down in my cars. I'll give it a sponsor.